Number 1. 1973 Volkswagen Beetle 1.8T Classic Hatchback 2D. Price, $1,500. Located Martin, Tennessee. Here's a bright yellow classic that instantly puts a smile on your face, the legendary Beetle. Originally built by Volkswagen, this 1973 model shows 80,000 miles and features an automatic transmission with a gray interior. According to the seller, it has a newer engine, plus a new carburetor and electronic ignition already installed. It does need work, including a passenger-side floor pan, making it a true project car. The Beetle became one of the most iconic cars in the world thanks to its simple design and unbeatable personality. At this price point, it's an affordable entry into classic car ownership, perfect for someone ready to wrench and bring this icon back to life. Number 2. 1981 Cadillac Fleetwood. Price, $4,000. Located, Fort Wayne, Indiana. Big, bold, and unapologetically American luxury. This 1981 Fleetwood is pure old-school presence. Built by Cadillac, it's powered by the original V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in sleek black with a tan interior, it shows just 1,234 miles listed and runs and drives. Recent updates include a new starter and rear air shocks, though it will need some front suspension work. The Fleetwood represented the peak of traditional American luxury. Long body lines, soft ride, and commanding road presence. If you're looking for a comfortable cruiser with classic 80s style, this Cadillac could be your next rewarding project. Number 3. 1966 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed. Price, $3,800. Located, Fairplay, South Carolina. Square body attitude before square bodies were cool. This 1966 C10 short bed is classic American truck heritage. Produced by Chevrolet, it's equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. Odometer reads 65,826 miles. It runs good with a solid bed, but does have rust on the rocker panels, floorboards, and under one door. With its patina and honest wear, it would make an awesome rat rod cruiser or restoration candidate. The mid-60s C10 helped define Chevy's light-duty truck legacy. Whether you restore it or build it custom, this truck has the bones to become something seriously cool. Number 4. 1971 Chevrolet C20 Tow Truck 350/Turbo 400. Price, $3,100. Located, Pine River, Minnesota. Talk about character. This 1971 C20 tow truck is pure vintage workhorse energy. Powered by a 350 V8 paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, this heavy-duty classic was built by Chevrolet to get the job done. Currently doesn't run, but the engine spins freely. The frame is solid, it rolls and steers well, and the tires hold air. Rust is present in the rockers and cab corners, and it comes without a title. Whether you turn it into shop advertising, a photography prop, or a full revival project, this C20 has undeniable old-school tow truck presence. Number 5. 1979 GMC 1500 Regular Cab Long Bed. Price, $2,900. Located, Kingsburg, California. Here's a late 70s long bed ready for its next chapter. This 1979 GMC 1500, built by GMC, is powered by an inline-6 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Showing 76,000 miles, it runs and drives, though reverse sticks occasionally. A replacement transmission is included in the bed. The cab is in good shape with minor body damage, and the clean title adds value. These classic GMC trucks are gaining popularity for their durability and simple mechanical setup. If you're looking for a solid project that already moves under its own power, this long bed could be a smart buy. Number 6. 1969 GMC Sierra 1500 Regular Cab Long Bed. Price, $5,000. Located, Sanford, North Carolina. Here's a true late 60s workhorse with serious project potential. This 1969 GMC Sierra Long Bed, built by GMC, packs a 350 V8 paired with a 350 automatic transmission. It rolls on rally wheels and features a classic bench seat and solid rear window. The truck was running when parked and recently fired on starter fluid, showing good oil pressure. It will likely need fuel system work, and like most 69 trucks, it has rust in typical areas. GMC's late 60s pickups helped define durable American truck culture. If you're searching for a solid foundation for a restoration or street build, this Sierra could be your next rewarding project. Number 7. 1987 Chrysler Fifth Avenue. Price: $1,500. Located: Leachfield, Kentucky. Step back into smooth 80s luxury with this 1987 Chrysler Fifth Avenue. Powered by a 318 V8 and automatic transmission, this full-size sedan was produced by Chrysler as a symbol of affordable American elegance. It ran and drove well before an ignition switch issue left it without spark. The body is described as very nice, and it sits on aftermarket aluminum wheels for a clean stance. With 108,556 miles and a clear Kentucky title, it's an affordable fixer-upper. The Fifth Avenue was known for its plush ride and classic squared-off styling. For the price, this could be a stylish and comfortable cruiser once sorted out. Number 8. 1959 Edsel Ranger. Price: $2,750. Located: Arlington, Texas. Rare, bold, and unmistakably 50s, this 1959 Edsel Ranger stands out everywhere it goes. Built by Ford Motor Company under the Edsel division, it features its original engine, which turns over with a battery. Finished in turquoise with a brown interior, this car is very complete and comes with a clean Texas title. It's not currently running and will need ignition components to attempt startup. Minor rust is present on the driver's rocker panel. Though Edsel had a short production life, the Ranger remains one of the most unique American classics ever produced. If you want something different from the usual 50s Chevy or Ford, this is your chance. Number 9. 1969 Cadillac DeVille Coupe 2D. Price: $3,850. Located: Arlington, Texas. Big body, big motor, and unmistakable presence. This Cadillac DeVille Coupe is classic American luxury. Built by Cadillac, it's powered by a 472 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. The engine runs but needs fuel system service. The body, trunk, and floors are described as very solid, with only minor rust on the passenger front fender. It comes with a clean New Mexico title in hand. Late 60s DeVilles represented peak American excess, long lines, smooth ride, and effortless highway cruising. If you've been wanting a big classic coupe project with strong bones, this Cadillac delivers serious potential. Number 10. 1953 Pontiac Classic Sedan. Price: $5,000. Located: Richmond, Virginia. Here's a true early 50s American classic ready to cruise. This 1953 Pontiac, produced by Pontiac, shows 75,000 miles and features a manual transmission. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, it carries authentic vintage charm. Described as in good condition and ready to drive, this two-owner classic retains its original character and road presence. Pontiac models from the early 50s were known for their solid build quality and smooth inline engines. Whether you're a collector or simply love vintage American styling, this Pontiac offers timeless design and nostalgic appeal. A rolling piece of automotive history ready for its next chapter. Number 11. 1987 Chevrolet El Camino. Price: $3,000. Located: Bay City, Michigan. If you love the perfect blend of muscle car and pickup practicality, this 1987 El Camino is calling your name. Built by Chevrolet, it's powered by a 305 V8 paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission and topped with a brand new 4-barrel carburetor. Finished in gold with a brown interior, this classic runs and drives excellent. It features new brakes, working heat and radio, and a clean title. It does need wipers, but overall it's a strong running project with tons of upside. The El Camino's unique car-truck combo has made it a cult favorite for decades. Affordable, iconic, and full of potential. This one's ready for its next chapter. Number 12. 1977 Dodge Colt. Price: $750. Located: Lincoln, California. Here's a budget-friendly classic for parts or a bold restoration challenge. This 1977 Dodge Colt, sold under Dodge, features a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission. It will run when hot-wired and fed from a separate fuel can, but it has no key, a broken ignition switch, missing rear glass, rough interior, and no title. Sold primarily as a parts car, it shows 69,001 miles. The Colt represents the late 70s era of compact imports rebadged for the American market. If you're hunting rare parts or want an ultra-cheap project platform, this little orange classic might fit the bill. Number 13. 1972 Mercedes-Benz 250C. Price: $950. Located: Los Angeles, California. European style meets serious project territory with this 1972 250C coupe. Produced by Mercedes-Benz, this classic pillarless coupe originally delivered refined performance and timeless design. It comes with a transmission but no engine or bumpers. The white interior is complete but needs cleaning. Major rust is present in the floors, trunk, and quarter panels. However, the grille, headlights, fog lights, and taillights are in good shape. The 250C is part of Mercedes' elegant early 70s coupe lineup, now increasingly collectible. Whether you part it out or attempt a full resurrection, this is an affordable entry into vintage German luxury. Number 14. 1972 Oldsmobile 2-door hardtop, Rocket 455. Price: $3,000. Located: Santa Clarita, California. Big block power and classic 70s swagger, this 1972 Oldsmobile packs the legendary Rocket 455 V8 under the hood. Built by Oldsmobile, it features an automatic transmission and has been a daily driver for the past decade. Power windows and seats work, along with new brakes, master cylinder, booster, tires, battery, and rebuilt transmission. It needs cosmetic attention and some electrical fixes, but it runs strong and is rust-free. The Rocket 455 era defined Oldsmobile's muscle legacy. If you want big torque, chrome trim, and true American presence without breaking the bank, this hardtop delivers serious value. Number 15. 1984 Cadillac DeVille d'Elegance Sedan 4D. Price: $3,000. Located: Los Angeles, California. Smooth, spacious, and unmistakably 80s luxury. This 1984 DeVille d'Elegance brings classic Cadillac comfort. Produced by Cadillac, it features an automatic transmission and shows 90,000 miles. Finished in blue with matching blue interior, it starts and runs, and comes with a clean title. It does need some TLC, but the seller is including a brand new alternator. The d'Elegance trim represented premium comfort in the mid-80s, with plush interiors and that signature Cadillac ride quality. If you're after affordable vintage luxury with room to personalize, this DeVille is a solid project platform. Number 16. 1964 AMC Rambler 440 convertible. Price: $4,000. Located: Lakewood, California. Here's a rare drop top from the mid-60s that you don't see every day. This 1964 AMC Rambler 440 convertible, built by American Motors Corporation, carries its original engine and automatic transmission. Finished in red with a white interior, it shows 99,999 miles. The motor starts and runs off a bottle, but the car will need fuel system work and a new convertible top. It includes extra trim pieces, hubcaps, and retains original drum brakes and electric wipers. Rust appears manageable, making it a solid restoration candidate. AMC's Rambler line helped define affordable American compact cars of the era. If you want a unique classic convertible that stands out from the Mustang crowd, this is it. Number 17. 1974 Lotus Jensen Healey. Price: $4,000. Located: Oakland, California. Lightweight, agile, and unmistakably British, This 1974 Jensen Healey delivers true roadster spirit. Powered by a 2.0-liter twin-cam engine developed by Lotus Cars, it's paired with a manual transmission for a pure driving experience. It starts easily, but oil contamination and white smoke indicate engine work is needed. The body shows little to no rust, brakes are good, and the hardtop is in great condition. Carries a salvage title. The Jensen Healey became known for blending Lotus performance with open-top freedom. If you're ready to sort the engine, this could be a rewarding and rare classic sports car for California cruising. Number 18. 1988 Lincoln Town Car. Price, $4,000. Located, Glendale, Arizona. Big, smooth, and built for highway comfort. This 1988 Lincoln Town Car is classic American luxury. Produced by Lincoln, it's powered by a dependable V8 engine. Over $3,500 in recent repairs have been completed, with paperwork to prove it. The interior remains in nice condition, though it could use fresh paint on the exterior. Known for its quiet ride and spacious cabin, the town car defined full-size comfort in the late 80s. If you're looking for a reliable cruiser with vintage executive presence, this Lincoln offers comfort, style, and classic V8 smoothness at an approachable price. Number 19. 1950 Oldsmobile 88 Sedan 4D. Price, $4,500. Located, Hollister, California. This 1950 Oldsmobile 88 is pure post-war American style. Built by Oldsmobile, it features a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, a groundbreaking combo for its era. The car is all original and complete, including hubcaps, fender skirts, and trim. The engine is currently stuck and not turning over, but it was reportedly running 5 years ago. The body and interior carry an authentic patina look collectors appreciate. The Olds 88 helped launch the early muscle car movement thanks to its powerful V8. With some mechanical revival, this sedan could once again cruise in true 1950s style. Number 20. 1973 Lincoln Continental Mark IV. Price, $4,000. Located, North Hollywood, California. Long, bold, and unmistakably 70s, this 1973 Lincoln Continental Mark IV defines American luxury excess. Produced by Lincoln, it shows 84,000 original miles and comes with a clean California title. The interior is in excellent shape, and the transmission and suspension are reported strong. However, the engine is not running due to piston knock and will require rebuild or replacement. Cosmetic flaws include peeling paint and a vinyl top that needs attention. The Mark IV was Lincoln's answer to personal luxury dominance in the 70s. If you want a true blue plate California survivor ready for restoration, this big coupe has serious presence and potential.